Today we'll be demonstrating the BAUM 714XLT tabletop folder. We'll be using a standard 8.5 by 11 20-pound copier paper, and we'll be letter folding it. I went ahead and adjusted pan 1 and pan 2 to accommodate the letter folder of the 8.5 by 11. I got the adjustments that I needed from the chart provided on the exit table of the 714XLT. Here it shows you exactly what position you need to move the first and second pan into to allow for the fold that you want to achieve using the size of paper that you have. There's a gap set on the top here that allows this paper to flow through underneath. You have a variable speed control, a count display, you have a switch for turning on the rollers, and then you have a switch that turns on the pump that allows the sheets to be fed through. Rollers are on. The finished product comes out shingled nicely on the exit tray conveyor. And as you can see, the 8.5 by 11 comes out perfect with your standard letter fold.